Right now our radar is showing those showers moving from the southwest to the northeast. Again, times of breaks here across the region, but not going to see a ton today. We've got some steady light showers pushing through Falmouth, Mount Olivet, up into Brooksville, and then eventually into Augusta, and that'll move through Ripley and areas like Maysville this morning. West Union and some scattered light rain, especially if you live east of the area. Generally dry through Brown County right now. It's not going to stay completely quiet here as we go through today, but you can see those light showers from Marshall into Peebles. It's going to continue up through the radar site in Wilmington. So east of 71, very light scattered showers. Light showers along 71, the east side of 275 from Milford into Loveland this morning. Sims Township seeing some scattered light showers. Lebanon, Mason, Mainville in light rain. A lot of light rain as you head across Butler County. In fact, most of the county in some kind of light shower activity right now from Hamilton and Fairfield up through Oxford and West College Corner. Fayette, Union, Franklin County and some scattered light showers. In fact, more moderate now through Waterloo and areas around Columbia, Laurel and Metamora. South of that in 74, scattered light showers, especially south of the 71-75 split. Those are going to be lifting up to the north here through greater Cincinnati, and then our steadiest light showers remain across Owen County this morning. All right, so wider picture is going to show the stationary front here. Line of storms moving east, especially south of the Evansville, Indiana area. We've got frequent lightning there. I think a lot of those storms staying south of the region tonight, but you can see a lot of moisture coming up along this, what is pretty much a stationary front. So that's going to bring us more opportunities for some rain as we head through today. Potential for some stronger storms as you head east of the 71 corridor this afternoon. I don't think we're looking at a huge threat. I think maybe some gusty winds out of some of those storms that could tap into a little bit of energy. But the fact that we're seeing that excessive rain today, a lot of overcast, that's going to help us out today. I think rain's going to be the bigger issue for a lot of us. We've got a slight risk of excessive rain north of Cincinnati and then that moderate risk in red. So we're going to continue to add quite a lot of wet weather to what has already fallen. We've seen over 3¼ inches just since Wednesday. So for today, weather impact, I think this is going to be our heaviest day of rain, least amount of breaks. We'll have a few storms to the east with a high of 67. Rain continues tonight. Weather impact, some of it will be heavy and temperatures drop to around 42. Much cooler for your Sunday. Rain will continue through the daytime hours. I don't think it's quite as frequent as what we're seeing today, and it should eventually taper into the evening. But if this cold air catches this rain in time, we could actually see a little bit of mixing on the backside of this. So flood alerts in place, a lot of flood warnings out as we head through Sunday, and much of our flood warnings on area rivers in place until further notice here. So we're going to see those crests as we head into the early part of the week. Additional 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible here. So Futurecast showing those showers moving eastward. You can see again, few breaks here and then a really big wave of rain coming after 5 o'clock in the evening. I think we're seeing widespread heavy rain around 8 o'clock tonight, especially through midnight, and then we'll start to taper that off through Sunday morning. Off and on showers through Sunday, and then here comes some of that cold air, especially if you live north of 275. You may see some mixing, especially around sunset. Not expecting snow accumulation, but it is going to feel chilly, and again, additional 1 to 3 inches of rain possible. So your Ohio River crest here currently in action stage, but that's going to climb to moderate flood stage and then eventually reaching that 60-foot crest by 8 a.m. on Monday. So a lot of low-lying areas along the river taking on high water, New Richmond to California, even into the riverfront here in Cincinnati. 7-day forecast, some middle to high 50s through Monday. We'll finally get into a nice little stretch of dry weather. I think the ground's still going to be really saturated, so probably not the best outdoor time here. Near 60 on Wednesday, and then we'll have some rain on Thursday. 60 degrees both days there, and it does look dry as we head into Friday.